In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can get your DoorDash promo code 2024. You can simply get the DoorDash coupon codes of every month in just few simple steps. To do this, you will have to head into your Safari. It can be any other browser. This doesn't matter whether you're having an iPhone or Android. In the search bar, type in DoorDash promo code 2024. You will see a bunch of websites, but you will have to select this website that has up to 50% off on any purchase on DoorDash. Head into it, you will then have to choose among those displayed coupon codes. For any chosen code, it will get generated automatically. You can either copy the code to clipboard or just tap right here to redeem directly to the DoorDash official website. On the DoorDash page, you will have to log into your DoorDash account, and if you don't have one, just sign up for an account. After selecting what you wish to have in your cart, make sure to enter your coupon code before making any payment. Please double-check down and see if your promo code is accepted, as there are a lot of fake promo code and unauthentic websites that get supported on your browser with fake promo codes. And also, some codes are authentic but may expire after some good time. So don't make any payment before authorizing your coupon code. That's how easy it is to get your DoorDash promo code in 2024. If you are still having trouble getting an authentic promo code, just comment promo code, and I'll reply with a link to an active DoorDash promo code. Don't forget to hit that like button as it much helps for the channel growth. Check out on these other informative tutorials.